Dr. N.A. Magdum Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Ankali. The name of the topic of this presentation is Classification of Poisons, prepared by me, and it was guided by Dr. Sachidanand Vangapati sir, Department of Agadha Tantra. And now we'll start the topic, the classification of poison. There are mainly three types of classification. First one, based on the symptoms they produces. Second, analytical method, and lastly, based on their state. There are subtypes under these three main classification. We'll study about those classification in further slides. We'll study about the first classification, that is based on the symptom they produced. There are mainly four subtypes under the first classification. They are corrosives, irritants, systemics, and miscellaneous. Study about corrosive poisons. Corrosive poisons are those which causes destruction or damage to the tissue. Whenever these tissues come in contact with human body or human skin, mucosa, this causes inflammation or damage to those places or those tissues. In most of the cases of corrosive poison, GI tract is the main affected part. Some of the examples of corrosive poisons were declared here. Strong acids like hydrochloric acid, hydrosulfuric acid, and strong alkalis like hydrates, sodium, potassium. Metallic salts, zinc chloride, potassium cyanide, etc. also come under this corrosive poisons. Irritants. These are the poisons that causes irritation to the skin or sometimes maybe inflammation. Damage that occurs in irritating poisons are reversible or recurable. Whereas in case of corrosive poisons, if there is a damage to the skin or a mucosa, that is irreversible. They are irritants. The following examples will come. First, agricultural poisons. Agricultural poisons like chlorate, paraquats, etc. And inorganic poisons. Under inorganic poisons, metals, non-metals, and mechanical poisons will come. For the examples for metallic poisons are mercury, copper, potassium, and for non-metallic poisons, chlorine, phosphorus, and for mechanical poisons, hair, diamond. Organic poisons. Under organic poisons, vegetable and animal poisons will come. In vegetables, castor, croton, etc. Whereas in animal, snake venom, bee bite, etc. will come. Third subtype under the main first classification is systemic poisons. These are the poisons that are toxic to specific organs or organ system as a result of exposure. These are grouped on the basis of a system they affected. There are mainly 5 types under the systemic poisons. They are cerebral, spinal, peripheral, cardiovascular, and asphyxiants. Under the cerebral, there are mainly 3 types: CNS stimulants, CNS depressants, and deliriants. Example for CNS stimulants are caffeine and amphetamine. An example for CNS depressant are alcohol and hypnotics. Example for deliriants, cocaine and cannabis. And main second is spinal. Under spinal, Nux vomica, gelasium. And for peripheral poisons, conium, curare. An example for cardiovascular poisons are aconite, quinine. And example for asphyxiants are carbon monoxide, sulfide, etc. Miscellaneous. It is the last subtype of the first classification. Under this, food poisoning and botulism will come. Botulism is also a type of food poisoning which is caused due to a bacteria called as Clostridium botulinum. And main classification is done on analytical basis. Analytical means logical. The reflection that was produced by the poison is logically identified, and poisons are grouped under the following heading: volatile organic and inorganic, non-volatile organic and inorganic, acids and alkalis, noxious gases, plants, and miscellaneous. Last, that is third main classification, is done on the basis of their state. There are mainly three states: solid, liquid and gaseous. Poisons according to their states are grouped under the following heading. For example, in solid poisons, pills, plants and berries. In liquid, hydrochloric acid, etc. And for gases, carbon monoxide, some of the toxic fumes, etc. will come. Lastly, there is one more type of classification, that is done on the basis of the dosage of the poison that was taken by the person. There are mainly four types of poisons under this. They are acute poison, chronic poison, subacute poison and fulminant poisoning. We will study about this classification one by one. The first classification is acute poisoning. This poisoning is caused by an excessive single dose or a several small dose of a poison taken over a short period of time. And second classification, that is chronic poisoning. This is caused by a small dose over a period of time, resulting in gradual worsening. Example for this is arsenic, antimony, etc. Third type of poisoning is subacute poisoning. Here we will see the features of both acute and chronic poisoning. And the fourth one, that is last one, is fulminant poisoning. This poisoning is produced by a massive doses. The death will occur rapidly in this case of poisoning and sometimes without preceding any symptoms. This is the end of topic. Thank you.